Presenting the 2002 Infiniti Q45. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. A premium sound system is just one of the benefits of owning this vehicle. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.